My name is Adam Andrews, and I am an aircraft builder. I probably took my first airplane ride when I was about 3 years old. My dad and a friend of his actually went in halves on a newly covered and it had a new engine rebuilt Super Cub. At the time it was $6,500. You can imagine what that would cost in today's prices. And actually that plane is actually still flying today in Alaska. But that's really what kick-started my love of aviation and flying. Living in a state that had a ton of aviation. We lived right next to Lake Hood, where there's the largest seaplane base in the world. So I was always exposed to aircraft, loved watching them take off and land. I liked building models, and it really just started the passion for aviation. So the Aeroworks One Project really stemmed from me having a lifelong dream of always wanting to build my own aircraft. And so we've partnered with some great partners, Zenith Aircraft being one, Continental Motors, Dynon Avionics, and some others, great supporters of the channel, great supporters of the project, to really put together an awesome backcountry STOL aircraft, which you can see here behind me. So we're going to be doing a weekly build series. Every week we're going to be covering something different, something new, but from the perspective of a first-time builder, not like a scripted manufacturer's video series. This is real life, the things that you're going to run into as a first-time builder, things that you might experience, the hurdles, the challenges, the rewards. It's all going to be covered in the Aeroworks One Project, so you're not going to want to miss it. So guys, I'm really looking forward to having you along for this journey. Make sure you click the link below to subscribe to the video series, or click subscribe and like the video, because we want to have you along and you're not going to want to miss an episode. Again, it's Adam with Aeroworks, and I can't wait to have you along for this journey.